Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 13, 2024. Evil Sudoku. Column A, column C, we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell 3 is from here. Then 6 is here. Column A, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Column I also we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column G, column I, we have 7. So 1 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We confirm later. Third grade, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 4. Column F, column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F and first row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. First row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column C, column D, column E, and 6th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, 5th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column A, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Fourth row also we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row and 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 8, 6. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row, 4 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 8, 9. Column A, column D, column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th row and 5th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 9, 2, 5. Column G, we get 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column I, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, we will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 9. 9th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then first row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column A, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Second grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Third grade and third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third grade, third row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 9. It will come in one of these cells. 5th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, column G, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 2. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, we have 8. Column C also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 9, 6. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D and 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column A, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 7th grade and 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th grade, 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 2. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column A and 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.